Welcome back. What is an output? Remember the construction company analogy. Before they leave, week one builds the governance foundation. Before they leave the site, they put a sign on the front door. The sign says, here is the address, here are the measurements, here is everything the next contractor needs. Week two is the next contractor. They read the sign. That sign is an output. The output equals a sign put outside after the building is finished. Values become available after Terraform apply, visible with the Terraform output command, consumed by other stacks via Terraform remote state. Why do we need outputs? Because week 2 needs the OU IDs, week 3 needs them, week 4, week 5, week 6. But no other stack should ever hardcode an OU ID. That is fragile. That breaks when things change, and things always change. How Terraform stacks connect, the remote state pattern. Week 1 outputs this. Output production underscore OU underscore ID. Value equals the production OU ID. This gets written to the S3 state file after Terraform apply. Week 2 reads it like this. Data Terraform remote state gov. Then references data.terraform collected underscore state.gov.outputs.production underscore OU underscore ID. No hard coding, no copying and pasting IDs. One source of truth. And remember, before you run Terraform apply, you must create the S3 bucket and the DynamoDB table first. The bucket stores the state file. DynamoDB handles the locking. So two engineers cannot run Terraform apply at the same time and corrupt the state. Create those first manually using AWS console, then apply. Then every stack that comes after can read from that one source of truth. Look at the full outputs.tf file on your screen. We export organization underscore ID, production OU underscore ID, development OU underscore ID, staging OU underscore ID. We export nested underscore OU map, a single map with both the HR and finance OU IDs inside it. And we export SCP IDs, a single map with all SCP IDs inside it. Now, the bug. The original file had two blocks with the same name. Two output SCP IDs blocks. Terraform errors immediately. Duplicate output definition. Think of it like two people checking into the same hotel room with the same booking reference. The system does not know which one to honor. It breaks. The fix is simple. One block, one name, all SCP IDs as keys inside one map. Rule. One output block per name. Add more keys inside the map. Never a second block. Variables, locals, outputs, side by side. Every Terraform project uses all three, knowing which one to reach for. That is what separates a beginner from a senior engineer. Let me put them together using everything we have discussed. Variable, the hotel check-in form. The customer fills it in. The questions are always the same. The answers change every deployment. Emails, environment names, region lists. You choose the value at apply time. Referenced as var.name. Local, the manager's board on the wall. The guests never see it, but it keeps everything running. A map of all OUs, a list of required tags. You do not choose it. Terraform computes it from your own resources. Referenced as local.name. The gap intersection table equals terminal. Signed by Radamdev output. The sign on the front door after the building is finished. Week 2 reads it. Week 3 reads it. Every stack that comes after reads it. You do not choose it. Terraform reports what it built. Referenced as output.name. Variable. Question to the user. Local internal memo. Output sign on the front door. 3 different jobs. 3 different keywords. 3 different files. That is the foundation. Build the containers. Attach the rules. Then fill them. The organization is in place. The OUs are structured. The variables ask the right questions. The locals compute the right values. The outputs publish the right IDs. Week 2 picks up exactly where week 1 left off. No gaps, no hard coding. One source of truth. Step by step, layer by layer. Trust me,